think we're ready to create some pivot tables, which is a very powerful tool within Excel. So what we're gonna do is you can just select any data, whether it be like A2 or B. Let's just click on this one for right now. And we're gonna go under the Insert tab. And we're gonna create this thing called a pivot table. And it should show us this pop-up right here. We're just gonna press OK. So yeah, now we're sent to a new worksheet, and this is gonna be our pivot table. So pivot tables are really good on the fact that, it helps us play around with the data a lot more, and it gives us a lot of flexibility and options to sort of understand our data a lot more than, manually searching for what we're looking for. It's really convenient since, it's just clicking and dragging different columns into here to see. You can even filter it, but you can really just drag it just to see how the columns interact with each other. So yeah, let's say, we wanted to find like, the total number of sessions from each country. So total number of web traffic from each country. All we're gonna do is drag the country into rows. So yeah, let's say you want to, find the monthly web traffic for each country. You would just drag country to rows and the sum into the values, since we're looking for total traffic for each month. And we're gonna drag month into here as well. And you can play around with it and see what works best for you. Let's say if you were to drag the country into the rows, as you can see, it's pretty hard to see. It's a lot harder to work with horizontal data sheets, I guess. So we want to make sure we have our countries and our rows, and we have our month over here. So as you guys can see, we get the total number of website sessions for the month of August of September. So that's really convenient. It allows for easier way to see our data rather than just having a big just the data set to look at. Having this is a lot easier and can actually make it interact as well. Let's say you want to see like comparison between the 2 months. Let's say you want to see the total difference between the month of August and September. What we want to do is drag sessions again. So we would have two sessions right here. And what we're gonna do is first hide these totals. So what we're gonna do is click both the F, and we're gonna press Control and click G. And we're gonna right click, and we're just gonna hide it since we don't really need it. And same for this C column as well. We don't really need it, so we're gonna right click on C. We're just gonna hide it. And yeah, so for this column, we want it to show the differences between the previous month. So what we're gonna do is click on top of the sum of sessions 2, and you should see sort of like this black arrow at the top when you hover over it. And once that does show up, you want to click it, and that should automatically select all the data within this column. And what we're going to do is right click. We're going to go to show value as, and we want to show the difference, the total difference from. And for the base field, we want to calculate by the month, since we're doing comparison between the month. And base item, we're going to leave it as previous. Oh. Weird. Let's see. Show value as this month. So yeah, you want to, if that popped up for you guys as well, you want to go to show value as difference from. I guess there's difference between month and months. I guess month shows like the individual days. So you want to click on months. That should show you the total number for September and August. So as you guys can see, we actually have, now a difference between August and September. As you guys can see, for Argentina, seems to be that there's a growth in website traffic for September, but it seems that it's a lot of negatives. So yeah, usually if there's large amounts of data that you're looking at, it's good to utilize this tool called conditional formatting.